What's the meaning of Court of Session? Court of Session. Court of Session.
Court of Session. Court of Session. The Court of Session is the Supreme Civil Court in Scotland. Its jurisdiction covers both civil and criminal matters, but it mainly deals with civil cases. The court is comprised of judges who hear cases and make decisions on behalf of the court. The Court of Session is also responsible for hearing appeals from lower courts in Scotland. Overall, it is a crucial part of Scotland's judicial system and plays a significant role in upholding justice and settling disputes.